Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of cheese and Italian cuisine. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as mozzarella cheese, mozzarella cheese, mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese helps chefs create delicious, gooey, and satisfying dishes, especially those with a classic Italian touch. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about mozzarella cheese, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.